Right now, I'm in a journey. All right, I gave myself a challenge this year, and I'm going to be. Sorry, the wind is. I'm on a journey of catching a big bass. Which way is the sun? Right here. A big bass, a 10-pounder on purpose. So check it out. I hope you guys enjoy it and join me on this journey. I got till December 31st, so I am going to be fishing a lot. I'm going to be in the water a lot, especially after Thanksgiving. So I'm in a small pond right now, which I forgot about. Ronnie and I, we actually fished here before. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the water right now and switch to GoPro. I just had one jump in that little hole there. I'm pretty sure it's a small one, but really? Oh, what the Alright, what happened was, before my GoPro died, it was a bird that took my freaking lure. I didn't set the hook, so I just let him have it, then spit it out. Alright, so caught this nice little one here. I'll call it maybe 2 pounds. Look at the belly on it. Give me 1 second. Mouth is small, and they are eating. GoPro died, that's why I'm using my phone. Today was a no-go for the tan. I guess I'm gonna be heading home and edit a couple videos and stuff like that. The giveaway will be after Thanksgiving, so stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna do it during Thanksgiving. I'm gonna be very busy, so I won't be able to probably vlog and stuff like that, fish or do anything. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.